SS&B means comfort to me.
Hello, I'm Ryan with SS&B Heating and Cooling, here to show you a few things that we do to get your AC prepared for summer. So, first things we like to check are your voltages. We check them down here for that. And then we also check the voltages coming into your unit to ensure proper voltage. That is an important part of your system. Alrighty, so we also tend to check the amperage of the blower motor to ensure proper amperage and that the motor is not overworking itself. One thing we also like to check is the underside of your evaporator coil to ensure proper cleanliness. This can restrict airflow if it is not well maintained. For the final part of our indoor inspection, we are going to be taking a look at our filters. As you can see, we have a Train Clean Air Effects. This one is in need of cleaning, so we are going to take off the power and pull up our face. We are going to remove this filter. This is your pre-filter. This is something that does need to be cleaned out every 1 to 3 months depending. And now we've also got our cells that need yearly cleaning. There are 2 of them. We also have our charge field, which is the most important part of the EAC. You have to clean off all these tips, make sure the grid's all nice and clean so that it can do its job. And now we have completely emptied our EAC, so we are going to head outside to clean out the filters and to check out the condensing unit. Alrighty, well now we are going to move on to cleaning out the condenser to ensure peak performance. You always want to make sure you're cleaning your coils from inside to out. Make sure you're removing all the dust and dirt that collects in the unit. This process should be done at least once a year. Alrighty, now it is time to put our cover back on and button up our system and be done with our maintenance.
Service and quality that keep you smiling. SS&B means comfort to me.